How to use suggestions and fixed packages. To use suggestions and fixed packages in Sembark, start by clicking on Trips in the top navigation bar and selecting Trips from the drop-down. Click on Add New Query and fill in the basic details: destination, travel dates, number of nights, number of adults and children, and guest information. Once done, click Save Details. On the next page, you will see the basic details of the query at the top, along with a section below that shows suggested quotes matching your requirements. The system automatically pulls quotes that have the same destination and number of nights as your query, making it easy to find a relevant package quickly. You can preview each suggestion by switching between the Itinerary, Hotels, and Details tabs within each card to review what is included before selecting it. Once you find a suitable quote, simply click on Use this quote at the bottom of that card. In case none of the suggestions match your requirement, you can also search by trip ID or guest name using the search box provided on the same page to find a specific existing quote. Once found, click on Use this quote for that package as well. Once the quote is applied, you will need to make a few adjustments to tailor it for the current query. Update the number of rooms as per the number of guests. Select the appropriate vehicle type for transfers. Add your markup, either as a percentage or lump sum. Apply taxes if applicable. Once all the adjustments are done, click on Save Quote. Your package is now ready, created in just a few steps using an existing quote as the base.